Hey there, foodies and kitchen enthusiasts. Today, I'm excited to talk to you about a game changer in the kitchen, the Ninja air fryer and toaster oven from the Foodi series. Trust me, once you get your hands on this bad boy, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. This versatile kitchen appliance is a true powerhouse, offering 10-in-1 functions in one sleek and stylish package. With 1,800 watts of power, the Ninja air fryer and toaster oven can handle just about anything you throw at it. From air frying to toasting, baking to dehydrating, this little beast can do it all. Now, let's talk about who this product is for. Whether you're a busy parent looking to whip up quick and healthy meals for your family, a college student living in a dorm room, or a seasoned chef looking to expand your culinary horizons, the Ninja air fryer and toaster oven is here to make your life easier and more delicious. One of the standout features of this appliance is its size. It's designed to fit a 5-pound chicken or a sheet pan of vegetables with ease, making it perfect for larger families or dinner parties. The stainless steel design adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen countertop, and the easy-to-use controls make cooking a breeze. But the real magic of the Ninja air fryer and toaster oven lies in its ability to cook food quickly and evenly. The convection technology ensures that your meals are crispy on the outside and tender on the inside every time. And with less oil than traditional frying methods, you can enjoy all your favorite foods without the guilt. Now, let's talk about some practical uses for this powerhouse appliance. Imagine waking up to the smell of freshly baked cinnamon rolls, or coming home to a perfectly roasted chicken for dinner. With the Ninja air fryer and toaster oven, the possibilities are endless. You can even use it to reheat leftovers, bake cookies, or make homemade jerky. If you're still on the fence about whether to invest in a Ninja air fryer and toaster oven, let me give you a quick rundown of the competition. While there are plenty of air fryers and toaster ovens on the market, the Ninja stands out for its versatility and performance. With 10-in-1 functions and 1,800 watts of power, it's truly in a league of its own. Before I wrap up, let me leave you with a few tips for using your new Ninja air fryer and toaster oven. Make sure to preheat the oven before cooking to ensure even results, and always use the provided accessories for the best performance. And don't be afraid to get creative with your recipes. The Ninja is a true kitchen multitasker. So, what are you waiting for? Upgrade your kitchen game with the Ninja air fryer and toaster oven from the Foodi series today. Your taste buds will thank you.